Welcome. January 24th, 2025. In today's trade, we're going to show you how price broke below a trend line, then continued down and broke below support, and we entered on a break and retest to have a nice little trade to wrap up the week on the S&P 500. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this. I would really appreciate it if you're getting value out of these videos. Please subscribe, like, share, do whatever you want to. If you'd like to enroll into our trading academy, there should be a link below. If you have questions, my phone number is also in the description. It should also be flowing across the screen here somewhere. And then if you'd like to get more information about our funded trading program, or a funded trading program actually ran by Funder Pro, I've got a link in the description for that as well, because we give out, our trading academy gets out tons and tons of trade ideas throughout the week that can help you pass a funded challenge if you know how to trade. Again, I'm not a professional. This is not financial advice. Do not trade if you don't like to lose. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. My performance doesn't guarantee that you're going to get in results. So without further ado, that's the disclaimer. Let's jump in and do this. Again, this is for informational purposes only. As you can see, this is my results from today right here, sitting over to the side. This is what I did. It was about $886 after about 50 minutes. As you can see, this was a trend line. It broke here. It came up to what we call an all-time high, previous daily high. It broke through that, bounced off. It came back this way again and worked its way down here right around 11:45-ish time frame. About 11:45 central time frame, it started running down this way, and I was waiting for it to break the trend line and then come underneath this support area here. It ran down, it came underneath support. I waited for the retest right in this area on this candle here. See it, the retest. I entered the trade, came in down here, and in just about 50 minutes, it was just moving really slow this afternoon. In about 50 minutes, was able to pull off $886 after fees. Very, very simple process. You can see my weekly totals is right here at the top of this as well. If you'd like to learn how to trade, now just a disclaimer really quick, or an exclaimer, I guess, an explainer is this coming April will be 4 years that I've worked on learning how to become a trader. This last January, I elevated my training, my education, and worked out a lot of kinks by enrolling into a boot camp. We've got another boot camp starting on January 3rd. If you really want to take your trading to the next level, or maybe you've been struggling with trading, or maybe you're an absolute beginner, I would highly recommend this boot camp. It's February 3rd. To get enrolled into our academy, it's $149, which includes access to the boot camp. It's a 60-day boot camp, so it's $149 for first month. It's $99 a month after that. You're probably going to have to, at least just to get the basics out of the way, you're going to have to hang around for about 4 months. So plan on spending about $450 for 4 months. I would recommend you just hang around until you get so proficient you can sit down in front of your computer and just grab you some money anytime you want. Again, income disclaimer: past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. Do not trade if you don't like to lose. And the other disclaimer part of that is, while you're learning, you get to use a demo account. So you don't even have to use any of your real funds to actually practice trading. The only money that you'll have to have is to pay for the academy, to get in front of our educators, to attend the live classes, to watch the recorded sessions, and hang out with my cool group, which we get together 5 times a week. We trade live in the mornings. We get together 4 times a week and do a Q&A in the evenings. If you'd like to be a part of our community, again, phone number's right across the bottom. The enrollment link is also underneath here in the description. And other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a text. Tell me who you are. Text me and tell me who you are, and then we can get together and do a Zoom. I'll walk you through the academy. I'll show you everything you need to do to get started. I appreciate you. I love you. Jesus loves you. There's absolutely nothing you can do about that. I'm on a mission. Have no more empty refrigerators and help you make a lot of money trading. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.